Learn is a free searchable library packed with educational resources. Here, you can find lessons, resources, games, instructional strategies, professional learning, and tech tools to fit your needs. If you're looking for lessons, you can filter by grade level, content area, keywords, and standards. For instructional strategies, you can filter by grade level, group size, time frame, and lesson placement. You can even filter by purpose if you're looking for something specific, such as brainstorming or self assessment. In the Student Resources tab, you can find college and career exploration activities for your classroom and for students to use independently from home. If you're looking for digital tools or apps for your classroom, use the Tech Tools tab. These tools include applications and websites you can use to augment your students' learning. With an account, you can favorite, download, and print any resources you wish to use. You can also create your own resources for personal use, or you can copy and modify an existing resource to better fit your needs.